So I'm too good, so I cannot lose, and my team can never lose. My team can never lose. My VIP members can never lose. We are making money, consistent money every day. So this is B1000. You can see how it moves. The spikes. Look at that massive spike, guys. Look at that massive spike. So this is my entry right here. Just made an entry here, and the spike happened. I gave the signal on my VIP. I'll show you guys my reason for this signal, because it's not every time you be using indicators to trade. Sometimes you just need you need to work on yourself to become that indicator, to become that robot. Do you understand? To become that AI, whatsoever you call it, or whatsoever trading system you're using for trading. I think you are the best trading system. You need to work on yourself. It's very simple. It's very simple. To analyze the market is a very simple task. It's a very simple thing to do. But the only big issue, or the issue you need to deal with, will be psychology. If you don't work on your psychology, that's when you can never make money, even when you know the price action. Okay, so I want to show you guys my reason for this trade. All right, so before I go on, please show me some love, because I'm about to share something that you will love, something that will change your life for good. If you know this stuff, you can never go broke again. All right, when it comes to trading. So B1000 is running in good profits, and VIX 100 as well is running in good profits. So VIX 100, we are expecting to hit our TP1, 2, and we have like 3 TPs. All right, so B1000, TP1 and 2 here. So VIX 100 is running in good profits, then B1000 is running in good profit as well. Then crash 1000 will be selling crash 1000 very soon. All right, we'll be selling crash 1000 pretty soon. Right, so B1000, let me show you guys my reason for this B1000. All right, so smash the like button. Give me that thumbs up, bro. Give me that thumbs up. Just go and do that now. I'm giving you 1 second. You've done it. You smashed the like button. Thank you. Then subscribe to this channel, please. Drop some good comments. Share this video with friends. Everybody needs to learn. We need to start making money from Deriv. We need to get our money back. All right, so let somebody watch this video and make money as well. As you're making money, let's have this knowledge, let's have this skill this year. Okay, so drop some good comments, share this video, and join our free Telegram channel. Check the description of this video. Once you're done watching this video, check the description, click on the link, and join the free Telegram channel for more updates and signals like this. All right, so now B1000, my reason for this trade is, you can see here, this is a support. Let me delete that completely. All right, so you can see we have MA here. This green MA you're seeing here, this indicator you're seeing on my charts, this is MA60. All right, let me show you the MA. This is MA60. It tells the trend, the market trend. Okay, so I use it sometimes to just see the trend, right? Especially when trying to boom crash, all right, to see the effect, like how, if it's gonna spike immediately. All right, yeah. Then now, my reason for this trade would be, first of all, we are in an uptrend, strong uptrend. Okay, you can see this is an uptrend. You can see what the market is doing. This is an uptrend, guys. This is an uptrend, guys. Creating highs. Okay, so this is an uptrend. So we are about to have another uptrend. We are about to experience another up move. All right, so look at that. So now I knew that market would be doing exactly that again around this level. So I decided to give my people, I waited for market to get to that point and give me my reversal chart candlestick. All right, because I've seen the market's direction already, defined the structure and everything well defined. That's how I knew that markets would be going up from that level. All right, so now when market was coming down, I realized that if you check on the 4 hours time frame, this level here is a support. That is a zone there. Why is it a zone? Because market has been reversing around that zone several times. We have markets reversing here, here, and here. So this is a strong zone, and we've broken the support, the resistance zone. Market must come back again to retest the support to confirm this zone as a support. Then after confirming it as support, this is a pullback. Now it will be going up again from that level. So I waited for market to get down to this point. You can see even on the 4 hours time frame, we have the MA below the current price, which makes it an uptrend. All right, so I know that market will be coming back again to this level and probably coming to this resistance again in future, this resistance here. So when I saw that market was coming down here, I had to wait patiently to see what's going to happen around this level. So I was hoping for market to break inside because that's always a good one. Once market breaks inside and comes up again, it will give you a good. Once market breaks this support zone, comes inside, then there's a rejection. That rejection tells you a lot. It tells you that we have more buyers. Okay, so let's check 1 hour. So the rejection we had here told me the fight between the buyers and the sellers, that we have more buyers around this level, because this candlestick was forming downward, and before you know it, there was a spike. That means we saw the buyer stepped in and pushed this market to the upside, to their own side, right? And secondly, this is a demand zone. This is a demand zone where there's enough momentum, buy pressure around this level. So we have so many buyers around this. So this is a demand zone. Okay, then you can see the candlestick printed here. Market printed this candlestick here, this bullish dragonfly doji here. This is a dragonfly. If you don't know your dragonfly, everybody needs to join my academy. If you join my academy, you understand what I'm saying by dragonfly, or you call it kangaroo, right? This is a kangaroo candlestick. This kangaroo candlestick. So from here, and I realized that markets will be going up. We have more buyers, so I waited for market to just do a bit of drop back to this level. Then I gave the call on my VIP and I jumped in. You can see we are running good profits. All right, very soon we'll be hitting our target up this point. All right, so that's how to trade. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. You just need to know few stuffs. I won't say it's everything, right? But then if you know what you're doing, you keep doing the same thing over and over, you can see it's as simple as ABC. It's very simple. The only thing you need to know to work on will be your psychology. So if you join my academy, the academy is on now, guys. We just started. We had 2 classes already for this batch. So I think you guys, everybody needs to join the academy and start making money for yourself. I'm not joking. You need to start making money for yourself. All right. So now we are targeting this resistance zone. Very soon we move our SL above our entry and takes partial profits. We've taken partial profits already. We move our SL above our entry and see what's going to happen. We are not losing anything. If it comes and hit our SL, fine. But I'm seeing market spiking to this point very, very soon. All right. So I think that's my reason for this trade. And also, let me show you guys, there's a trend. There's a trend here on the 1 hour chart. There's a trend here. There's an uptrend here. So that's the origin. Sorry. So this is the origin of this trend. All right. So we have the first touch and the second touch. The second touch is always the buying entry, the entry level. So that's the trend right there. So you can see we have so many confirmations. We have confluence right there, and we have support right there. We have candlesticks confirmation. We have uptrend confirmation. We have so many confirmations. So you don't just jump in and start trading without having so many reasons for buying or selling a particular setup, depending, right? So you must have many reasons, like 4 reasons or more why you're selling. That gives it high probability. That's why you see professional traders don't trade every day. They only look for high probability trades, so that even if they lose, they know that, okay, market just decided to play prank on them, right? But then the analysis were right. Okay, so that is it, guys. That is it, guys. You can see there's an uptrend and we are in good profit for B1000. Then let's see my VIP platform. Okay, so this is my VIP platform. You can see we opened today. The first signal we gave, I always drop this. Attention. Okay, yesterday we dropped 2 signals yesterday, and we won the whole 2 signals yesterday. All right, we won the 2. 2 signals. Today I've given 2 already, and we've won the 2. We first gave VIX 100. All right, I gave the SL and TP. Then drop the chart analysis right there for you to know what we are doing. Then attention, whenever I drop signal, I must drop this so that everybody be aware. Then 1 minute or 2 minutes later, I'll drop the signal, B1000, right? So we're running profit. This is the analysis for B1000. We had the spike. That's B1000, guys. So that's our second trade for the day. So we are still waiting for 2 more trades. All right. We are still waiting for 2 more trades. I'm waiting for VIX 25 to sell short VIX 25. I'm waiting to short VIX 25. Wow, just touched my line, just touched the line right there. Wow, wow, wow. VIX 25, we are selling VIX 25 right there, guys. I missed this entry. So VIX 25 is not all that volatile, so I'll use 4 lots. Okay, or should I wait for 30 minutes to close already? I should wait for my 30 minutes to close. Okay, I short it. So that's how to do. I've been planning this trade since, so I didn't even see when market touched that level. I've been planning this trade since, so we just opened some position right there. My SL is up this level. My SL is up this point, right? That's my SL level. My TP1 will be here. So you can see we are making $60 on my TP1, all right? Then TP2 down here. My TP2 will be down here, guys. So that's how to do your trading. So VIX 25, you can see we're about to make good money on VIX 25. Then my SL will be somewhere here. My SL shouldn't go that far. My SL will be somewhere here. Then what again? Crash 1000. We'll be selling Crash 1000 pretty soon. Okay, we'll be selling Crash 1000 pretty soon. There's an entry up there. Okay, then we have so many setups waiting for even step index. Waiting for a pullback on step index to sell step index. All right, I hope it will pull back to this point. All right, to this point for me to short it all the way down. So that's how we make money on the VIP platform. We make good money. We are not joking. We are not scammers here. All right. So mentorship is available, signals available, and accounts management is available. So those 3 services, that's what I'm providing. I don't do any investments. All right, so that'll be all for now, guys. I'll give the VIP signal right away on the VIX 25. Bye. Okay, so we just smashed our TP on B1000. Remember our TP was somewhere here, so we just smashed our TP right there, and we closed with good profits. Even the VIP are enjoying. All right, so be the best, guys. Be the best.